All right, let's start with the winds this morning. Not nearly as strong as yesterday, but still strong enough that if a fire were to spark, it would be able to spread quickly. We have near record low fuel moisture out there, very dry conditions, and then add in these winds that we're seeing anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour. That is going to lead to some critical fire danger. So Alpine yesterday, which we were gusting up to like 72 miles per hour. At this time, I think it was 69. Right now we're at 33. Still very windy, just not compared to yesterday, not as windy compared to yesterday. We're seeing winds over 20 miles per hour in Hellhole Canyon, Julian, Harrison Park, and Tierra del Sol this morning. Because the winds aren't as strong, it is quite a bit colder. In fact, we're in the 40s for many areas. El Cajon has actually dropped to 38 degrees. And tonight is going to be even colder because the winds won't be as strong either. So 10 News Futurecast really highlighting where those winds are this morning. The winds will remain fairly gusty through mid to late morning. Even along our coastline, we may see a few gusts up to about 15, 20 miles per hour. And then as we head into this afternoon, winds taper off pretty quickly. And then our peak tomorrow is going to be even lighter. And the main reason why is that low pressure system to the south of us is going to be moving farther away. So the pressure gradient between that high pressure and the low pressure won't be as strong. So the winds won't be as strong. So we are going to see improving conditions each day through the rest of the red flag warning, which again does continue until 10 p.m. tomorrow. Today, we're looking at gusts 20 to isolated gusts to 50 miles per hour. And we may see another round of Santa Ana winds next week. A quick look, if you're headed to the beaches, we do have a beach hazard statement in effect through the overnight hours through about 4 a.m. tomorrow. Waves of 4 to 8 feet will be possible. So I know a lot of people might want to be going to the beaches because it's kind of so warm and it's so dry. Temperatures this weekend will mostly be in the 60s along our coastline, and we'll see 60s and 70s into next week. Inland neighborhoods, temperatures will be trending in the 70s, the higher fire danger due to that red flag warning today and tomorrow. And Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday next week, we may see another round of Santa Ana winds. Believe it or not, another cutoff low is going to move in. So this is going to be another one that kind of puts a little kink in the forecast. Depending on the track of that system will determine the strength of this Santa Ana event. Either way, at this point, it doesn't look nearly as strong as what we saw yesterday. 50s for the most part in the mountains, while desert areas will climb back into the 70s tomorrow.